Welcome to AVEVA PDMS tutorial. In previous video of starting with AVEVA admin module, we have created a new project, and now we need to create different sections of admin module. Okay, so starting with making a teams. So first we need to get into the admin module. If it is a new project, you will start with a system as a username and 6 times X as a password. Okay, and then we can go to admin module. Okay, so first window will appear in the admin module, and then we will start creating a teams. Now what are teams? Teams are basically a set of users which will access a database, a specific database. So teams are very important to be created for a specific database for access. Okay, so those are connected with the database. Teams are connected with the database. So teams will have number of users which can access that database. So we will try to create teams first. So in admin elements tab, you will find various things. So you can create teams, users, database, MDBs. Okay, so today we will start with the teams. Okay, there is no team, only master is there. Below at the bottom, you will find the option of creating a team, making a copy of existing team, modifying team, and delete team. Okay, so if you remember, we have discussed admin is having access of creating and delete things. Okay, so you can create also, you can delete also. So just create a new team. You can have name to that team. Let us say I'm using a catalog team first. That will access a catalog, description, and then you can say apply. A team will be created. In the background window, you will find team CATA, which we have created as a name, and description of that team. That team will handle a catalog. Okay, then there can be a design admin, enter, and that team will handle my design administrator. Okay, apply. So description is very important. You will find description in all the attributes. So I am making one more team called draft admin, which will handle the admin section of draft. DRAFT space administrator, create. Then one more draft team, which are draft users. Okay, so name of team and task of the team is very important. So first you need to make a table and make sure what kind of teams you want in your project, and then you start creating teams. Okay, so that is a draft user. Then let us say pipe north team, which will create pipe north user. So this team will only handle piping related to north region. Okay, something like that, and I am creating that. So likewise you can create multiple teams. If you want to edit any team, let us say this data is not correct, so I will just go to modify, and I can modify team data, something like that. Okay, and apply. So that will be changed. You can modify. If you want to say make team for, let us say, ISO draft also, ISO draft user, I will just create a copy. Okay, and I will say ISO draft okay, and then I can modify, and in the description I will just add ISO draft. So you can also modify, copy, and delete teams. Let us say I don't want this pipe north user team. and I can delete that team, and that team will be deleted from the database. Okay, so be careful with the delete button. You cannot take it back once you delete, so be careful while using delete. So these are the teams, how you can create a team, copy a team, modify a team name and description. That's the role of the admin, to create different teams. In coming video we will talk about creating a users for those team. Okay, so users will be a set of part of a team, and user will have its own username and password for login. Okay, so we will see that in the coming video. Thank you.